Hi, Audrey, Clark, and the whole Legends of Real Estate team. I am very excited to be coming to Jacksonville in February of 2023 to share with you the Listing Formula program. The Listing Formula is a 4-day workshop where I'll teach you precisely what you need to know to bring in more listings in less time and have more fun doing it. There's no question that 20% of the realtors share 80% of the success. These unique individuals know that listings are the name of the game. They know what they have to do, and then they commit to doing the activities to bring in more saleable listings in less time, and they do it in such a way that they make it look easy. So what are we going to cover in the Listing Formula? Well, there will be 5 distinct areas we'll work on together. The first area is going to be lead generation. Precisely 3 ways: passive lead generation, proactive lead generation, and what I like to call hyperactive lead generation. By the time we are finished, you're going to have a complete understanding of lead generation and what you have to do to generate those leads. But along with that, I'm going to give you all the dialogues necessary to convert the incoming leads to listing appointments. I will also teach you the dialogues and process to book no less than 3 listing appointments a week. This is the foundation of any successful real estate career. The second area we're going to work on is the listing appointment process. I'll teach you how to walk into the listing appointment and walk out with the listing if you choose to take it. The third area we'll be working on is the pricing presentation and presenting of price. I will teach you foolproof techniques to take the pricing monkey off of your back and put it squarely on the seller's back where it belongs. Along with that, you'll no longer have to tell them a price. They will tell you what price their house should list for based on your presentation skills of market forces. There's an expression regarding sales: if I say it, they will doubt it. If they say it, it must be true. This will allow you to have more listings priced correctly, to sell quickly, no matter what is happening in your marketplace. The fourth area we're going to work on is your objection handling skills. I will teach you a proven 6-step process to handle every objection they throw at you, including, I want to wait. I have a friend in the business. I want to interview 3 companies. I want you to do it for less commission. I want to try a higher price. I want to fix it before we list, and many, many more. By the time we're finished, you'll be an objection handling pro. And in many cases, you will look forward to the seller hitting you with their best shot. The 5th area, then, will finish up with time management and attitude control, related to becoming a top producing listing realtor. If you do not control your attitude and time, everything I teach you will be worthless. I look forward to coming to Jacksonville, spending 4 days with you, and helping you make 2023 your best year. It'll be nice to see Audrey and Clark, 2 people I've respected and admired for more than 15 years. And I look forward to seeing my old friends and making some new ones. I want to leave you with one last thought. There's an old joke in the real estate industry that's been around for a long time, and it goes like this: old realtors never die, they just become listless. Let's make 2023 our best year and catch your competition off guard. Let's increase the Legends of Real Estate's market share and increase each of your closed commissions for the year. The Listing Formula program will be your first step in turning your listing goals into reality. I look forward to seeing you all soon.